Palagi akong iniiwan. Pwede na siyang kunin. I think it's not yet.
What? Good morning, Philippines!
I can smell something burning. Huh?
Oh.
What happened here? Somebody burned the house, huh? Uh-huh. Oh my God. Look at me, honey. Look at me. How's my baby? You burnt your food. Are you embarrassed? You burnt your food. Can you throw that out?
Nope.
I love you. I love you.
And it's almost the last of the butter, apparently.
Huh? You don't text me? Oh, there is one in the freezer. You don't check? How dare you sleeping over there? That's my couch, ba. Why you're sleeping over there? And you're using my pillow? Are you using my pillow? How dare you, babag? I don't like what you're doing, huh? Mama's gonna wash. Oh, Mama's gonna wash. Hi guys. Nagutom yung asawa ko, guys. Pagdating niya, walang pagkain dito sa bahay. Kaya, nagutom. Kaya, dahil sa gutom niya, napagod yung ano, umitim yung, ay nako, niluto niya bread. My baby, starving. I feel so bad. Look, you have a lot of vegetables to eat. Anyway, guys, so nagutom, so lalabas na naman kami. Do you wanna go out or no? I'm just gonna eat bread, rice. Huh? Pizza. Close lang naman, malapit lang.
Yeah, we have a cigarette break.
Anniversary. So I think it's their anniversary, 25 years.
Yes.
Yeah, I see the sign over there. That's the same thing last year. They have a typhoon. Not a typhoon, it's a... They have that. They have a party here last year.
Yeah.
That's the time that they invited me. And they have that bad storm. And everything is flying. The anniversary. Now I have a plan for our anniversary.
Temples.
It's a cold weather. In April it's cold, right?
Necessarily.
Our, what is this, 11 years anniversary. Wow, we're 11 years being married. And no, next year 11. And then, well, actually we're 11, honey. We met 2008. What are you doing, hon?
I shut the garage if I can get a signal because I know you didn't.
We met. And then now it's 2021. How many years is that, honey? 2008. 13. 13 years. 13. So we're 11 years of being married. I don't even realize that how long, baby. Oh, baby, it's too long. We have to...
When I say, when you say how long you've been married, it's two.
Too long. Yeah, 11 years. What the heck, hon? We really are 11 years married, hon?
Yeah.
Wow, baby, enough! Can we cut it off?
Quit while we're ahead.
Huh?
Quit while we're ahead.
Yeah. We have to quit. Done. Let's make it done. Like quit. Do you wanna quit, baby? Hey, how's your knee? It's still really bad. Which one,
It's
hon?
really bad. That's
Which one?
that one.
Huh?
That one.
This one?
Yeah.
What did you do, honey?
I didn't do nothing. I just really bad.
Do you want me to wrap it tonight?
I don't think that'll help.
Huh?
That won't help. It's not a muscle.
What is that then?
It's in the bones.
Oh my God.
The joint.
So what is the thing that you keep advising people to take this and take that?
I got someone to this house here.
Do we have expired, honey? Do you want me to order that in Amazon while I have something in Amazon?
Just take the expired.
No. Can we buy that on Amazon?
That's where I got it from.
Okay, I'm gonna research it and then research and put it in the order. Are they closed?
Yeah.
What is today, Monday?
They're not closed any day. They're open 7 days. So I gotta call and see what their message says.
Tawagan lang ni Tami. Oy, may tao na naman dito.
Thank you for calling Toad Season. We'll be on vacation Saturday, August 14th and Sunday, August 15th. We look forward to seeing you again Monday. Apologies and have a great day.
Okay. So I guess they didn't get back from vacation yet.
Oh my god, we're gonna go to the other pizza. They're pricey too, and it's small pizza, guys. Okay, I'm gonna wait here. Don't get Hawaiian because they're probably pricey. Here you go. Ito yung tindahan dito, guys. Ito siya. Ito yan. Si Mr. Copido. Finally, guys, 3 tindahan yung pinuntahan namin. Yung pangatlo yung open, kaya yun. Okay, let's eat.
Something nice. You're gonna be Roxy's tongue's already going.
Roxy. Pepperoni. Hello, tulog si Tami. Sabi ko matulog ka. Yan, tulog. Kasi ganun siya, sa labas. Nabusog sa pizza and then also pagod kasi trabaho siya kahapon. Late siya nakauwi kasi nag-stop siya sa kapatid niya. Malakas yung TV. Hininaan ko lang yung TV. Ang dami kong lulutuin. Yung chicken. Bukas na ba yung chicken? Bukas na. Ito lang muna lang lutuin natin. Kasi para mayroong maano si Mister. Madala din sa ano. Kasi bukas aalis na naman siya, guys. Iwan ko yan na. It's just like yung buhay ko ba, ganito na lang palagi. Palagi akong iniiwan. Palagi tayong iniiwan, guys. Ito na yung buhay natin. Sa ano tama na, doon man siya sa city man siya nagtatrabaho. Yun. Nakalimutan kong bumili ng toyo. Sa totoo ha, nakakalungkot. Yung ganito. Nakakalungkot talaga siya. Sino yung tumawag? Ang daming mga scammer ngayon, guys. And then, lagyan natin ng tubig din. Kahit nasanay na ako sa ganitong style namin, kasi diba nagtrabaho siya din sa city. Kahit ganon, nasanay naman ako, guys. Pero, you know, kahit sanay na tayo, meron pa rin yung pakiramdam na ang lungkot-lungkot ng buhay. Ang lungkot-lungkot. Kasi, yun, kung magtrabaho siya, wala siya dito the whole ilang araw sa isang linggo. Kasi dapat andun siya, diba? And dapat siya sa, sa isang bahay. So, yun lang. Yun lang yung ano ko. Mag-harvest lang ako ng scallion. Takpan natin. Dapat marami. Diba? Masarap naman. Ang laking scallion ito. Ito o mga malalaki. Dambuhala. Dambuhala. Ito na, guys. Ang daming scallion, guys. Look. So, guys, ilagay na natin si scallion dito. Para talaga masaya ito. Alam nyo ba, ito yung pinaka maraming kakaibang adobo. Ang dami. Masarap kasi, guys, kapag meron ito. Dapat sa ilalim ito ilagay. Humba ba? Pero adobo po ito. Masarap kasi ito, guys. Maluluto siya kaya malaki. Yok, hindi ko siya inano masarap. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko is siya close. And then, luto tayo ng itlog. Pagod na pagod si Mister, guys. Uy, kulang ito. Gusto ko maraming itlog.
all night long. Yeah, we dance with our razor tongues and all day long. Yeah, we reset under burning sun, catching the waves, inhale, exhale, reminisce in the bygone time. Laugh till we cry, days flying by, flying by. Love on delay, push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for a day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah, and you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday. 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 All night long. We're running too fast on fumes and all day long. Yeah. Lying round with our favorite tune, slumber away, inhale, exhale, dreaming about summer nights with you. Sweeter escape, dream wide awake, yeah. Away. Love on delay, push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for a day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah, and you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday. No love on a holiday. No love on a holiday. No love on a holiday.
Kinukuha ko lang yung itlog dito kasi kailangan siyang i-mix, and also it's time to put sugar. Yun lang. Ang next is i-mix na natin silang
No love on a holiday.
tignan natin yung apple doon, guys, kung pwede na bang harvest. Tignan natin, ha. Hindi. Look, ang daming bunga. Ang daming bunga ng apple. Look. Doon, oh, sa ibabaw, oh. Look, ang dami. You think it's ready? Not yet? This one. Tignan nyo to, guys. Ang dami. Ang daming apple. Look, pwede na siyang kunin. I think it's not yet. Look, oh, hinog, oh. Ito, oh, red. I don't know, pero parang ang sarap naman ito. Look. Ito, malaki. Kuha tayo dalawa. Hugasan lang natin. Oops, na may nahulog. May nahulog. Pero guys, ang dami. Ang dami talaga. Let's see kung kaninong kahoy ba talaga to. Ang daming poison ivy. Ay, sa amin talaga siya, guys. Look, yung puno nasa loob ng boundary. Sa amin talaga itong apple na to. Kaya hindi namin to putulin. Kasi pwede na kaming mag-harvest. Look, ang laki. Ang daming bunga, look. So, hintayin na lang natin. Tignan natin. Pag ready na yan, Pag ready na yan, i-harvest na natin yan. And then ipamigay kasi sayang naman. At saka maganda yan kasi walang walang fertilizer. So hindi siya yung organic talaga. Walang fertilizer, organic. Yun. So, okay. Hi, baby. Look, I got sometimes it's nice when it's a little bit soury.
Yeah, I don't know if it's a little sour.
You don't like soury?
I do like.
So, I'm not cutting the grass. Look at the grass. It's not even like crazy, right? So, yun. May mga prutas pala dito sa amin talaga. Yung pears din dun, guys. Look. Buong likuran dyan. Meron kaming prutas. Di ba pinakita ko sa inyo? So, yun siya. And then yan, mag-harvest tayo doon. Pag yung talagang ready na siya. Pagod yan, guys. Oh, so tired, baby. You look so tired. Headache? You're headache, baby. Hello, guys. So, ngayon, guys, itry natin itong apple galing sa garden. This is a weird apple. It's not even sour. Is this even edible?
Yeah, I don't know any apples that aren't edible yet.
Come on, try this.
No, just cut me a piece, why?
It's not even sour. It's not even sweet.
So who said it was a sour apple?
Huh?
Who said it was a sour apple?
It's kind of like spongy.
Oh, and it's mushy? I don't like mushy.
It's not smushy.
Like mealy. All right.
It's not, is that what it is? Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Yun itapo natin. It's not ready yet. Hi guys, before I'm going to end this vlog, so my husband want to si Rich, yung kaibigan niya, gusto niyang i-borrow, gusto niyang hiramin itong ogre. This is an ogre. Ito siya, ogre, look. So, this is an ogre, this box right here. So, ngayon, sabi pa ni Tami, anuhin daw niya, i-move. So, ngayon, bantayan ko siya. Kasi, guys, masakit yung likuran. Legs niya, para hindi niya maalsa ba yung legs. So, kaya, yun, bantayan ko lang siya kasi matigas ang ulo. Sabi pa niya, ilabas lang daw niya kasi baka makalimutan. Aalis naman kasi siya bukas din. Ang daming, ito yung sabi ninyo na bibili kami ng and somebody said, you guys, that's why that bird's knocking, because you guys doesn't feed the birds. Look guys, look what happened. My husband, he prioritizes. He been doing
What do you
this.
mean I don't feed the birds? Of course we feed the birds.
The person commented probably doesn't know what you're doing.
What, you know,
He feeds it.
but if you feed the birds, then they go easily
Han,
at
be
least
careful.
10 pounds of food a day.
Yeah, it's like crazy. Look at this.
Crazy amount of food.
This is expensive. Leave it there. I'll do it. I said leave it there. You said you will just look how a lot of food. Look. Ang daming pagkain. Yung mga bag dyan. Lahat dyan. Bag.
We didn't feed the birds. Hey, what's the pantry?
There's a lot of food. Look. Good food. Plus it's in there, honey. Behind you. This is a wood picker. How do you call this? Cardinal.
Oh, no, this is sunflower seeds. It's more expensive than the regular bird food. The regular bird food has sunflower seeds in it, but this gives it more. They like these. So you can add it to it and give it more sunflower seeds.
So, yes, guys. Tommy feed the birds like crazy. He cannot even buy me a chocolate, but he buy
You don't eat chocolate.
He doesn't even buy me a flower. But he buy, look at that. He loves them more than he loves me. He loves them more than he loves me. And that's the truth. Look at how he loves you, honey. He loves you. He looks like, here's my butt, daddy. Please, look. Oh. Han, did I tell you the story that I carried him and bring him out there?
Yeah, you said it freaked out.
Freak out and then wanna come back.
Yes, you know, going out to the car would freak you out. What?
He said, oh my goodness. He loves you so much, eh? That little boy is such a dad's boy. It should be a mama's boy, but no, it's a dad's boy. Okay guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope I will see you guys tomorrow. Loxius. Bye bye, honey.
Bye guys. Lovey, even squishy a little bit.
He is such. I told Tommy I'm gonna separate him with our kids. So that means he cannot hug, kiss, touch, nothing. He said that's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen, Ann?
Because I have asthma, so I get a lot of breathing problems from him.
Yeah, he has an asthma and he cannot breathe. Every time he get home here, he can't breathe. So, no breathing for Dada.
But it's worth it for them.
It's worth it? Is it worth it?
It is.
Not breathing? Seriously, honey?
And I made that decision when I was 12. I had that when the doctor told me I can't have that cat. That cat and me were like this. I says, no way. Well, you can't sleep with a cat? No way. You can't sleep on my head. Not on my feet, on my head.
Yeah, that would make it worse.
You know what? Yeah, well.
Okay guys, so that means Tommy cannot separate with the kids, especially cats. Thank you guys. Good night. Bye bye.